We are back with Tyler. Tyler, tell us when you're ready.
It's getting late, I haven't seen my date. So tell me when the boys get in. 7 o'clock and I wanna rock. Wanna get a belly full of beer. My old man's drunker than a bop.
We're doing this fast because we're running out of battery on our camera, so.
Looking cute in her braces and boots. And a handful of grease in her hair. Don't give us none of your aggravation. We've had it with your discipline.
Done.
Saturday night's alright for fighting.
Alright, you're back with Jane running the course now. Jane, tell us when you're ready.
Gonna send us down the line. Saturday night's the night I like. Saturday night's alright,
There's one thing down.
Pretty tight in here tonight. I'm looking for a woman to treat me right. I could use a little muscle to you, what I need. I'll drink a bit for jacket, scream out cheese with me. A couple of sounds I really like are the sounds of a switchblade and a motorbike. I'm a juvenile product of the working class, whose best friend floats from the bottom of the glass. Don't give us none of your aggravation. We've had it with your discipline. Saturday night's
37:26
alright for
final
fighting.
time.
Get a little action in. Get up out of soil, now's a diesel
We'll be
train.
back with Tyler.
Gonna send us down the line. Saturday night's the night I like. Saturday night's alright, alright, alright. Don't give us none of your aggravation. We've had it with your discipline. Saturday night's alright for fighting.
Alright, Alex, are you ready?
Action in.
Tyler.
Get up out of soil, now's a diesel train. Gonna send us down the line.
Ready.
Saturday night's the night I like. Saturday night's alright. Saturday, 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 Saturday night's alright.
We got a can.
Saturday, 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 Saturday night's alright. Saturday, 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 Saturday night's alright.
Nice job, Alex.
49.59.
49:59.
Getting late, I haven't seen my date. So tell me where the boys
Alright.
live. 7
I will be up
o'clock
next.
and I wanna rock. Wanna get a belly full of beer.
Alright.
My old man's drunker than a bop.
Alright, so now we're back for Tyler's run. Jane, do you have the clock ready? Alright, so Tyler, you have to sit behind the fence post. Alright, so yeah. So yeah. Alright, so Tyler, tell us when you're ready, and then Shane will count down. There's one. There's one, two. There we go. You got just 2 minutes left.
Cheese with me. A couple of sounds I really like are the sounds of
Tyler finished the round at a time of what? 45 seconds. Yeah, so that's our video.
We'll see you later.
TAS. Our next video, TAS.
Bye.
Yeah.